Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable local administrator accounts in workgroup mode on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So the settings that allow workgroup mode are a little bit different than Active Directory domain on your computer. So the procedure to enable the built-in administrator account requires a little bit of a different approach. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to press yung Windows key plus letter R. So dito sa keyboard, press mo lang yung Windows key plus letter R. And then pop up itong run. Alright? So dito sa dialog box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na lusrmgr.msc. So kailangan mo lang i-tap yung command keyword na lusrmgr.msc and then click mo lang tong OK. Alright, so dito sa local user and groups, and then next step ay select mo lang dito yung user, so click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung name, and then next step ay dito sa administrator ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung set password. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step, so set password for administrator. So, kailangan natin mag-create ng new password. So, any new password, mga kaibigan, yung pwede natin ilagay dyan. And then, confirm password. Alright, so, kapag nakapag-create ka na ng new password and then na-confirm mo na yung password and then click mo lang yung okay, so click lang natin yan. Ayan, so password set, the password for administrator has been successfully changed. So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin enable the local administrator account in workgroup mode for Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.